Morning everybody, it's smoking again. Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, and another one for you 24 hours ago in beautiful downtown Blackpool. And behind me, somebody dragged me off this scooter. And take this bag out of my mouth, please. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media, and welcome to the channel, folks. So here we've got Blackpool's main fire station. It's by the park. As you know, I was at the park yesterday. So there's the fire station, folks. With the brave lads that keep us all safe. And just in the distance there, hopefully we should have that tower. So I'm heading down towards Whitegate Drive, I think. Oh no, I'm going to turn right here if I can. Or should I go straight on? What should I do? Oh, an aeroplane up there. I've got a green light. So I'm on Forest Gate. I was hoping to go down towards Leighton, but I forgot to turn right. I couldn't use my left hand for my indicator. So maybe that policewoman was right. Maybe I shouldn't be filming on my scooter on the road. I don't know. It is a mobility scooter. It's not a car. It's not a motorbike. And I've got to do what I can to get content for you all. So, that was Forest Gate. There used to be an old church there. I think it's gone. Baptist church, still a sign about it, but it's not there. So let's try and put that indicator on, and we'll try and turn right here. I don't know if we'll do it or not. I don't know how long it'll take, but we're going to try. So this is Whitegate Drive, folks. A very busy road that runs from the Oxford down that way, right up to Talbot Road, I think. Then I think it changes name. So I'm in 8 mile an hour mode because I'm on the road, and get carved up by some tosser in a van that can see how I'm struggling. So quite a few shops here: the vape store, beauty store, Raja, cafe bar, lockfit shop. Got a police car down here. So we'll get on the pavement for this little bit. So we're in 4 mile an hour mode on the pavement. Best one. Graham Robinson. The police car's gone up there. This and that. Hair for men and women. I thought we had hair. Right, so I'm going to try and carry on with this little bit. That's Leamington Road. You can just about see the tower poking up at the end. And as we get to this junction, this is the other end of Church Street. Normally you're in the town centre at Church Street, But today, this is the other end of it. So hopefully you'll be able to link that up in your head as best as you can. There's the new flats. It used to be a very exclusive furniture shop years ago. Forgot what it was called. No, can't remember. So this is the street where we've got an angling centre over there, and on here most of these are officials, solicitors, a new concept security who I used to promote a lot. They look after me when I go out at night filming. That's probably the biggest of the security companies. Tower Learning Centre, hello Sailor, the Rakes Mini Market, DY Property Services. They helped me when I come out of prison, and I ended up changing to JJ. Easton's Solicitors, Bathfleet and Elegant Solicitors, but I don't think, oh, it does look open. Slimming and Beauty Clinic, Lancashire Women, Pond Marsh, Jim Kelly Insurance, Tower Supply, electrical equipment, I think. That used to be a very well-known car dealers that's now gone. We've got Broomheads, the big estate agency, the Spanish Learning Centre, Kendricks, Aiming Higher, K's. Sorry I can't get them all, I'm trying. Carros, whatever that is. Clark, Room and Fleming. Shotgun Bastard and Dribble. More new concept security. There's another old car dealer that there was a famous fire there years ago where somebody got killed. Cobain's, it's a very big solicitors, I think did one of my divorces, I think. And Winston House, which is now Horizon, the drug unit. I think it has over 50 staff. There's JJ Property, Cash for Gold, Sun Grill, and as I get here I've got that sun really bright now to my left. That's coming down from the Sainsbury's and from the town centre. That's Park Road that I crossed before. I'm not sure if I were filming or not. So we're still on Church Street, but you haven't seen this part of Church Street. You normally just see the bottom of it. So it's quite busy. I'm going to sit and talk, I don't want to move. I'm in the lane at the front of the main traffic, and we should be off soon, I hope. We should be off soon. There's more coming down here. Very, very busy junction. And a few weeks ago there was roadworks just there, and I was on a bus for half an hour stuck behind it coming down that street. As we're off now, we've got Choices Furniture to the right. A big gap where there's been a car wash, I think, for years. I don't know if it's still there. That was a big furniture shop, I forgot what it's called. Modern flats there, converted from shops to flats. And here we have the Antique Centre and Auction House that sometimes do a cinema. That's the Regent, folks. So we'll just dive on this pavement and try and get you a better shot of the Regent. And here I am on Church Street. You may have seen this bit of Church Street, I'm not sure. That's had scaffolding round it for months. There's Hermosa, Mankind, Records and Relics, St John's Muse, the Empire, Cobra Beauty, Big Thing, Gents Clothing, never seen that open. FYC Creatives, the gallery. Here's, I think, St John's School. and in the distance we can see St John's Church, I hope. I can't see a tap on this camera at the moment. I'm sorry folks, I'm just filming blind. And we're almost back in the town centre and back to my happy hunting ground. So we've got a little zoom there as we come down past Cash Converters. Hey folks, come to Cash Converters. We don't sell any green, we don't sell any brown, and we don't sell any white. But you can come and pawn your telly and buy the things you need. So everybody, we're here at Cash Converters as usual, and we haven't been for a while, and we haven't been since we got the new channel. And as usual, got some lots of Game Boy stuff along here, I think. Stuff that I don't know anything about and I don't understand. These whatever they are they Mario things and them game things. Got a few phones here, some more games, I think, some nice toys, tools. I'm going to follow around, got more bigger tools, better tools. Got a giant telly here. Look at this folks, which way round is it? I don't know, that's the back obviously. So we've got more tellies along the side, tellies, computers, all sorts of stuff. Games, DVD, exchange centre, watches. Look there. Specialist. Star Trek Deep Space Nine. The full Hitchcock. Oh, projectors galore folks, projectors galore. Oh, look at that lot. And all these loads more tellies along here. And up there we've got some sound bars, I think. Some heaters. Remember I went in Woolworths years ago and I said I'm looking for an heater. And this woman said she don't work here anymore. I said no, I'm looking for an heater. And she said she don't work here. I said I actually want 2 heaters, but never mind. So we've got some Ubers, some bikes, some tablets folks, Alexas and Googles, more tablets, more phones, DVDs. Who buys DVDs today? A little music centre up there. I'm not going to go up them steps because I'm too old and too ill. So we'll come back. Wanted games, consoles and accessories. So this is Cash Converters folks on Church Street in beautiful downtown Blackpool. We've got a lot more bikes here. We've got some lawnmowers and some ladders. We've got a pawnbroking area here. And loads of fishing stuff folks. Reels, rods, power wheelchairs, electric scooter, exercise bike, more bikes. And we're nearly out folks. We're nearly out. Got some more Googles and Alexas there. Some laptops, tablets, a bit of photographic equipment down this end. Got some headphones up there. And cameras and cameras equipment down here. So folks, so that was Cash Converters folks on Church Street. I had to get back to upload the park video which went out yesterday. I think yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. So I'm continuing from about here, I think. So carrying on from yesterday, I was just about here. Well, carried on from this morning, and we've just done cashiers, and I'm going to try and get across here. So when I got back, the video wasn't quite long enough, so I've had to come back. So this is Topping Street, folks. The Townsman, one of the first gay bars before Funny Girls or any of that, I think. Estate agents along here. Cask and Tap, whatever that is. The Badges and Music Shop. Churchill's Pub. The Samaritans. Showtoppers. Sneaky Cleaner Blackpool, whatever. Oh, I don't know. God knows what that is. So, Entrestle Green. Few cafes. Toys Plus, gone. Dixieland. Famous chicken and ribs. Very nice, sweet, tasty barbecue sauce ribs. And as we come round here, good God, folks, you won't believe what's happened here, because the groundworks is nearly all done, and I think we're going to be able to drive round it. So this is the huge new DWP and HMRC building, I think. So I'm just going to get stuck now. I can just about get off, so I should be able to get off here if we can, and get to the end of this and come back. Now in theory I think it is a one-way street, but I am only going one way, but I'm going to try and get on the pavement if I can and go back the other way. Oh, I'm not sure if we can get on that pavement. Let's have a go. Oh, it's a two-step. It looks like it's a two-step pavement, folks. So this might be a bit bumpy. I'm going to try it, but I don't know if I'm going to manage it or not. You never know. So let's hold on to this camera down here. And we managed it. So that might be an edit point, folks. So this is the pavement at the side of this new DWP building. There's still work going on here yet, and we're coming down. I'm trying to circumnavigate it for you and get back to where I was at Cash Converters, and then I'm not sure how I'm going to edit it, but there'll be something. There'll be something. So as we come along this side, we've got plantations here. Nice area to sit and have lunch at the front. I can just about get through. I can just about see in it there, and my hat's going to blow off any second if I'm not careful. So the rest of it is still a site entrance. Echo along there, and that looks like it's going to be a nice path along the street. We've got the dentist there. Now let's see whether we can get off this curb and round. I doubt it. Oh, there's a little ramp there. So we've got Mr. Basra's here, but last year got its windows smashed a few times. Now I'm not sure which way I'm going and whether it's a one-way street or not, but I am in 4 mile an hour pedestrian mode. I'm going to have to skirt. Jesus Christ, this is mad. This is mad, folks. I'm going to have to creep down here. Sainsbury's over there, and the social services and the council building there, Bickerstaff House. I'm just about going to be able to get back on this pavement by the dentist with this big huge building in the background. So hopefully that's been a little 9 minutes circumnavigation. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. We'll have a see. Can we get around here? Oh God, have they closed this off? No, I can get along here. So they're still doing groundworks in this area, folks. Now from here, hopefully, we've got St John's Church, the tower, and this new DWP HMRC building. And if we can, we're going to do it. Yeah, we're going to do it. We'll get back to where I was, outside Cash's, and then hopefully carry on with the end of the video as it would have been if I hadn't to add this bit, because it wasn't long enough, of the sights and sounds of beautiful downtown Blackpool 24 hours ago, folks. So I don't know if I can get on here, but I don't know if I can get off to get back to where we were. Yeah, we've got a crossing here, so we can just about get down here. And Christ, I've got to go round. So we're coming back now to near enough where I was, outside Cash Converters, and hopefully the video should carry on from what I filmed earlier today around about here, folks. So if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We're coming down to the part of the town that you know. And that was a little ride from the fire station to St John's Church for part of my 24 hours ago in beautiful downtown Blackpool. Got the Iveco boys here. They're going to start doing sexual things on that scooter in a minute, aren't you? You alright, boys?
I'm not.
I'll cover you up if you want, but this lad loves being filmed. First time you've been filmed now, everything was lost when we got hacked.
Yeah, I've got
so
channel,
it's just mad, it's crazy. So I've just come from the fire station. I'm just chatting to the Iveco lads who do a great job, although Dawn doesn't think so. I'm sorry. She just goes on about litter and dog shit all the time, doesn't she? But I compliment you all day. You're out grafting, but it's just impossible. Been to Manchester, there was hardly any litter in Manchester, or dog shit. Just fucking crazies. Right, I'll catch you later, boys.
Have a good one, mate.
I'll see you later, keep safe. So that's the lads from Iveco. We're coming back now to St John's Square, and oh look, folks, the fountains are going. It's what is it? It's 20 to 11, and I've got to get home to try and get the video from the park out. Now luckily that sun's behind me here. Say hello to this seagull. Hiya. Oh, you softy. You big softy. So we're heading down Abingdon Street now. Ooh, them seagulls are noisy today. So that's been a little run around from the fire station in Blackpool to Abingdon Street, and we'll get down outside Sam's. I'll try and do an outro down here. So Icons there needs filming again. We'd lost that, remember? The lady here just going to wander aimlessly in front of me. No, she's not. She's getting on the bus. So I'm nearly at the junction at Talbot Road now. And if you see this man, this is my friend Sam, who has SMS mobility, wheelchairs, power chairs, disabled aids, scooters and repairs. And this is his little shop. And all sorts of stuff in there that Sam has. And I'm going to do an outro here, folks. So I'm going to flick and try and get this sun out of the way. I'll just try and protect my friend. So the sun's shining. I'm outside SMS Mobility, folks. So that was a little ride from the fire station down to Abingdon Street. So for now, it's Fat Steve 24 hours ago in beautiful downtown Blackpool. Catch you later, folks. So stay safe, everybody. Fat Steve, Spiceheads Media.